Mismong si National Housing Authority General Manager Marcelino Escalada Jr. ang nanguna sa inauguration ceremony sa Marawi Road Infrastructure sa Rimanok Sports Stadium ug Marawi Convention Center sulod sa most affected area sa Marawi City niadtong Mayo 22. Atol sa seremonya, dunay kick-off marathon nga gisalmutan sa nagkadayang national ug local government officials, empleyado, athletes ug teams gikan sa NHA ug Mindanao State University.
Yehey!
Duna sub-torch lighting, exhibition gikan sa MSU Karate Do Club, contest sa athletics, soccer, volleyball ug basketball game, tali NHA Builders ug MSU Sultans. Mitambong atol sa kalihukan ang Task Force Bangon Marawi Chairman ug Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development Secretary Eduardo Del Rosario ug Senador Ronald Bato de la Rosa.
Ako po'y nagagalak bilang chairman ng Senate Special Committee on Marawi Rehabilitation sa mga kaganapang nangyayari ngayon. Ako po'y tuwang-tuwa at nakikita ng ating mga kababayan yung rebuilding of Marawi ay talagang gumagana at nakikita natin ang resulta. Kung inyo pong natatandaan, during the first visit ng mga committee members ng Senado dito sa Ground Zero and the subsequent committee hearing na ginanap doon sa Iligan City, right after that, pag-uwi namin sa Senado, kami kagad ay gumawa ng panukala para aming gawin yung Marawi Siege Victims Compensation Bill na ngayon ay isang ganap na batas na walang ibang layunin kundi para i-compensate yung damage to property, loss of lives and livelihoods sa lahat ng victims ng Marawi Siege.
I'm very happy that the National Housing Authority included a sports component in its rehabilitation, rebuilding efforts in Marawi. Of course, aside from the road network and the convention center, we have this sports complex, a beautiful sports complex, which June mentioned a while ago that will be finished by August. So kayo po as a Philippine Sports Commission, to thank NHA and of course Task Force Bangon Marawi for your efforts in your rebuilding program for the people of Marawi.
Nakatatak sa huna-huna sa taga-Marawi ang nahitabo niya tung tuig 2017. Sumala ni Mayor Mahol Gandamra, nakabangon na ang Marawi human sa siege.
Sa Rimanok Sports Complex, this facility is one of the many projects under the Marawi Development Plan for the comprehensive rehabilitation and reconstruction of the Islamic city of Marawi. And after a few years, after the infamous Marawi siege has befell our beloved city, it could not be denied that through the completion of various facilities within the city's most affected area, we could finally say that Marawi is slowly and surely achieving its aim to rise again.
Ang rehabilitasyon sa Marawi, usa sa mga saad ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte nga ibarug balik ang Marawi una matapos ang iyang termino. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines. Stay safe.